SERV stock analysis and SERV stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Sitting at $8.90, 4.8% down for the day with SERV Robotics. Things just keeps falling lower. But here's the thing again, we are still in this demand area, so it's still actually fine to wait it out. You know, it's not like I'm not gonna say like right off the rip that I'm either buying or selling. It needs to give me those requirements that I'm always talking about. And now, because we have new data, these are going to be the highs that I want to see breaks from, you know. And only when we get that, only then I'm taking this opportunity. Now, if the rules are not met, then I'm not going to be taking the trade. It's really that simple, you know. You just, instead of being an assumer, we are reacting here using a strategy that's previously given me thousands of correct predictions. If you want to learn it, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars and it's free. I mean, nothing else to add here, honestly. All I can say is just I'll wait it out and not force a thing anymore. So that's about it. See you in the next one.